Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make canned meat. We'll cover everything from selecting the right equipment to safely storing your finished product. You'll learn about preparing your meat, understanding the two main canning methods, and the crucial steps for pressure canning. This guide ensures you can preserve meat safely and effectively at home, providing a reliable food source. First, gather your essential equipment. A pressure canner is absolutely necessary for canning meat safely. A water bath canner is not sufficient. Choose fresh, high-quality meat, trimming any excess fat. Cut the meat into uniform pieces, about 1-inch cubes or strips for even processing. Always ensure your canning jars, lids, and rings are thoroughly cleaned and sterilized before use. There are two primary methods for canning meat: raw pack and hot pack. For raw pack, simply place raw meat directly into your jars. With hot pack, you'll pre-cook the meat slightly before jarring. For flavor, you can add 1 teaspoon of salt per quart jar or half a teaspoon for pint jars. Remember to leave 1 inch of headspace at the top of each jar. Once jars are filled, process pint jars for 75 minutes and quart jars for 90 minutes in your pressure canner, adjusting for altitude. After processing, let the canner cool naturally before removing jars. Allow the jars to cool undisturbed for 12 to 24 hours. Check seals, then store your safely canned meat in a cool, dark, and dry location for long-term preservation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.